we are going ahead and we're reviewing this telescope. If you're familiar with tripods, it sets up pretty simple. So underneath there's a screw, and what you do is you just simply place it inside the hole and then you thread it in and you turn it in, and that's how it threads on. Then you just set this back on just like this. So setting up the eyepiece, it looks like you thread these out. You don't have to take them the whole way, just enough that you don't see them anymore. It looks like it would thread in like this. Alright, so we're putting in the 20 mm eyepiece.